Hey, what's up? It's Reginald Watts here. Now, you requested more information from me looking to either fix your credit, get an instant pay raise on your job without having to talk to anyone, without having to ask your boss, or you looking to make money by working from home. Hey, maybe you're looking to do all three. Either way, I want to personally congratulate you for reaching out to me, looking to change your financial situation. It's a real good, responsible thing you're doing right there. Because I feel we can all agree, in times like this, it's crucial and in our best interest that we learn how to save as much money as we can and make as much money as we can. And also be able to generate income on our own. And you're about to learn exactly how to do that. So what I'm going to do is show you a very brief video. It's going to walk you through all the steps. Now what I need you to do is to block out all distractions and pay very close attention. Because this opportunity can and will change your life. Just like it's been doing for millions of other people, just like you and me, over the past 15 years. Now, once you're done with the video, go ahead and get back in contact with me, and we're going to take it from there, all right? Sound good? Cool. Well, let's get into it.
Did you know that the very thing in your hand right now can change your entire life? Seriously, people of all ages and backgrounds are turning their smartphones into an ATM, enabling them to travel the world and live the lifestyle of their dreams. And the best part is, you can too, and we're going to show you how.
Just imagine, you wake up at noon, open your window to see the beautiful beach in Bora Bora with white sand and crystal clear blue water beneath you from the luxurious resort you booked for 60% off the public price. Opening up your phone to direct deposits, feeling stress-free, because not only will you be debt-free, taking advantage of the millionaire strategies we teach you, but also, money is no longer a problem.
Does this seem too far out of reach? You'd be surprised to find that it's closer than you actually think. Our business is showing people like you how to put more money in your pockets, travel at extreme discounts, and improve your lifestyle. You see, our company has been around for over 15 years, and we have a community of over 80,000 people. Our business is a vehicle that is people-driven to take as many people as possible to a better life financially and mentally.
Introducing MyEcon, your path to financial freedom and a better lifestyle. We are BBB accredited with an A+ rating and was founded by a few entrepreneurs in 2005. Larry Gates and Alvin Curry came together with the mission to create 1,000 millionaires with MyEcon.
While you can make great income with MyEcon, which we will explain in just a little how the work from home opportunity works, to truly become financially successful, you also need to know what the millionaires know, like leveraging good credit, money managing skills, how to travel for less or even free, and MyEcon will share these millionaire strategies with you.
If you were given the opportunity to travel anywhere in the world and someone else pay the bill, would you? How about giving yourself an instant pay raise of up to $1,000 a month from your job? Or even simply having the ability to drastically improve your lifestyle? Would you take it?
By becoming a member with us, we help you give yourself an instant pay raise. If you currently have a full-time or part-time job with a simple adjustment to your W-4 tax form, most households are seeing a pay raise of up to $1,000 or more monthly just for joining MyEcon.
If your credit starts with a 4, 5, or 6, then this part is especially for you. I'm sure you know that buying a home or car, renting, or even getting certain jobs can be difficult if you have a lower credit score. Our My Credit system can permanently remove hundreds or even thousands of dollars worth of debt from all kinds of collections, ranging from medical or student loans, even things like repos, evictions, and late payments that are negatively impacting your credit score.
The cool thing we offer on travel is unbeatable discounts of up to 50% off on flights, hotels, car rentals, and more. But here's what makes it even better. It's 100% tax deductible, so it's like you're traveling for free, except the government pays the bill. This allows you to experience the beauty of life, visiting bucket list destinations, whether you're on a beach or a tropical island, sipping a pina colada from a coconut, or even in a fast-paced city with breathtaking views.
One of the perks of being your own boss is that almost everything you're already spending money on, you can be saving in taxes. Introducing MyEcon's Cash Flow Manager. The government is already taking out taxes from your paycheck year after year anyway. the money you're already spending for your travel expenses, a percentage of your rent, phone bill, eating out, attire, and much more can all go towards business deductions, thus reducing your taxes and increasing the money you take home. It's as simple as taking a picture of your receipt for every dollar you spend using the Cash Flow Manager app provided by MyEcon. Just plug and go. This alone cash flows many MyEcon members thousands yearly. This is how the wealthy stay wealthy.
Not only are you making money through the membership that will drastically improve your finances, credit, and lifestyle, but it also allows you to become your own boss and make money from your phone. This is the top-tier ultimate lifestyle membership.
While this kind of membership will normally cost hundreds of dollars in any similar business, with MyEcon, you can gain access to everything within the membership, including our money-making opportunity today for the amount on your screen. Then, just $69.95 per month, starting 30 days after joining to stay active.
After hearing all of the amazing benefits and services you get with MyEcon for such a low price, you're probably thinking this is a no-brainer, but it gets even better. Our company will pay you to become your own boss while working directly from your smartphone, no matter where you are, on your own time, and the best part is MyEcon pays you in many ways.
For starters, MyEcon is going to pay you $50 for every person you refer to get the lifestyle membership. Think about it. How many people do you know right now that wouldn't mind an instant pay raise at their job of up to $1,000 extra per month to be able to travel with extreme discounts to anywhere in the world? Or maybe they simply want to make some extra cash to improve their lifestyle. And if you don't think you know that many people, there are 223 million people in the United States alone on social media who, just like you, would love an instant pay raise at their jobs, extreme travel discounts, and just a better lifestyle overall.
And when they get paid for also sharing MyEcon with others, so will you. Matter of fact, this is the second way you make money: override commissions. Anytime anyone in your MyEcon organization gets someone to join and gets their own $50 commission, you earn up to $17 just because it happened in your team. Even if you didn't do any work yourself, maybe you're on vacation enjoying all that extra money just to see that you got paid anyways because your team is growing on its own. Welcome to financial freedom.
Imagine your new life, waking up at any time of the day, from anywhere you are at, logging onto social media and getting paid for doing what you already are doing for free, which is as simple as posting and sharing on social media, but this time about MyEcon in your daily life, and on top of that, getting paid for all the people on your team doing the same.
Now, the third way you make money is going to change your lifestyle forever. Every single month, you'll receive a bonus check just because people in your team have the membership. For every single person in your organization, you'll get paid up to $17 every month for the life of their membership. That's the people you refer, the people they referred, and so on and so forth.
This third way you make money is called Dream Team Residual Income. The great thing about residual income is that it's like a retirement plan. You'll get paid for the work you did one time over and over again. This means you're still going to get paid even if you take a break or go on vacation and enjoy life. Maybe you get sick and you're unable to work and lose your job. Or even better, you want to leave your job, you can do so, and your residual income will give you freedom to be your own boss and live on your own terms.
So to sum things up, MyEcon is going to pay you $50 upfront commission for every person you refer, up to $17 commission overrides per person for all of your team's referrals, and up to $17 monthly Dream Team residual per person for every person in your team. MyEcon truly has the ultimate compensation plan that keeps on paying you.
Let's put things into perspective with a hypothetical but realistic example. You spend a couple hours a day sharing MyEcon with others online, and you introduce 5 people into your team, and then those 5 people each go and do the same. That's a total of 30 people joining your team in 1 week. You'll get paid up front the following week for all the people you guys just introduced to MyEcon. After doing this for just a year, your residual income would be $26,520 per month for work you and your team did months ago.
Where in the world can you get access to everything we just shared with you on this video? Our lifestyle membership, the business opportunity for less than $2 a day. A company that has been around since 2005 and has an A+ rating and is accredited by the Better Business Bureau and has over 80,000 members within the company. What you need to do now is get started by clicking down below.
But wait, there's more. By taking action right now, you will get an added bonus of our world-class automated marketing system. This high-converting system will do all the explaining and convincing for you. You will be provided your own personal website with this same video, as well as others that break down the business for you. It's as simple as bringing people to this video, and then the system will do the rest of the work.
But before you get started, here's some testimonials of current MyEcon members and how this company has changed their lives.
My name is Astoria Went. I am so excited about MyEcon because it gives people the opportunity to truly change their lives and define for themselves the type of life that they want to live for themselves and for their families. I mean, just look at where we are. We're in Orlando, Florida. We're at this beautiful 25,000 square foot mansion, and it's just a bird's eye view of how the 1% gets to live. And what people don't realize is that it is possible to obtain this lifestyle for yourself as well as your family. It truly is a family affair. My dad was the one that introduced my mother to it, and of course they introduced the principles that this dynamic company teaches to myself and my sister, and we have been some income shifting queens. I absolutely love everything that the company stands for and what they teach Americans about how to get more money, and more importantly, how to make their money work for them.
My name is Greg Napier. I'm from the great state of Ohio, and it is a pleasure to be here talking with you guys. I've been a part of MyEcon for 3 years now, and since being with MyEcon, my wife and I have cash flowed in excess of $20,000. Yes, I said $20,000. We're here as living testimonies. MyEcon is really a great place to be. All of us are participating in MyEcon one way or another. You just have to decide what you want to do. It's a wonderful place to be, and I'm happy and ecstatic to be here.
Hey, this is Angela Powerhouse Williams, and MyEcon has absolutely changed my life. They provided me with a financial blueprint to master my money. I've been able to cash flow over $325,000 from the comfort of my home. I've been able to increase my credit score to an 820. And because I'm 100% debt free, I was able to build my trading account to over $970,000. That's right, I am knocking at $1 million retirement portfolio. So if you want to change your life and get on the right side of money, just say yes to MyEcon, and we will see you and celebrate you at the top.
Hello everyone, my name is John. And since joining MyEcon, I've been able to cash flow over $2 million. As a matter of fact, I have a tremendous passive income that allows me to get paid even when I'm sleeping. I've paid off tens of thousands of dollars in debt, and I have the best credit score that I've ever had. And MyEcon has allowed me to live the lifestyle that I've always dreamed of.
Hey everyone, this is Alex, and this is my quick testimonial for MyEcon. Thanks to this company, I've been able to take my credit score from a 541 to a 728 within a few short months. I had car repossession that was removed from my credit report, and on top of that, I've actually been able to earn a full-time income, sharing the income shifting membership with other people, helping them fix their credit and helping them give themselves a pay raise. So I highly recommend this company.